So we are just understanding that how the other industry is working and what we can involve and we can give return back to the whole industry and the whole sector. Every day is a learning day for me. So when you discuss with each of the everyone now, I think I am a newcomer in this particular industry. And when we talk to these type of leaders, I thought that everything I have to go and learn from them.
Hello everyone, I'm Trupti. We have here Girish Sodani, the Vice President of Choice Broking. Hello sir,
Hello.
how have you been?
I am busy.
Nice. Okay, so he's attending this Bharat 2.0 conclave here and he's been nominated for the award also. So sir, please tell me, how's your experience going here? How's the networking, channeling going on?
Its networking was amazing because I think this is the first award what I am getting right now from the indirect channels which are not belonging to the wealth vertical.
Okay.
So
Okay.
previously I have got an award from the wealth vertical also from the MCX.
Yes.
But this is a new one for me and the new chapters just interacting with the multiple sectors and industries.
Yes. So how do platforms like this Bharat 2.0 conclave amplify the impact you're creating as a leader in the industry?
So for Bharat 2.0, we can say that because it's a completely a dynamic business channel out here. So we are just understanding that how the other industry is working and what we can involve and we can give return back to the whole industry and the whole sector.
Right.
So this is why it is more beneficial for us also, like from the other industries, where we can elaborate and coordinate it with each and every one.
That's really thoughtful of you, sir. So, how do you think being nominated here will motivate or inspire your team who's working with you?
Okay, so obviously to nominate yourself or to nominate in any of the channels, obviously it inspire to us also as well as the team also. But again, if you talk about the different sectors, as I have already told you earlier, then this type of nominations obviously give boost to my whole team as well as myself also. Because when you are getting the nominations, that means your client, your stakeholders appreciate your work from the last 15 years, what you have already done.
Right. And what do you think is the most critical leadership lesson you learned while scaling up in the business?
In this particular finance industry, in last 16 years time frame, I saw many up and downs.
Yeah.
You can say monetizations, COVID-19s, wars. Currently the war is going on.
Yeah.
But in this particular time durations now, every single step what I have already faced is like a challenges for me.
Yes.
But what I face, my challenges is that just remind me during my 2022-2021 when my shifting the whole mindset to just not making the money, just go into the long-term retentions or the long-term creations for my clients. So this is the best time when I face the challenges on that particular zone.
Okay.
But obviously it's given me a very long-term thoughts as we already think about and we already listen about that. Don't think about the quarter on quarter, go with the long-term propositions.
Yeah.
Obviously this give me this particular points you have already asked.
Okay. So, Girish sir, I want to ask that where do you see the biggest untapped opportunity here in the Bharat 2.0 conclave with connecting with leaders and all?
Biggest untouched opportunity, I think it's a very tactic question for me.
Okay.
Because to connecting with the right perspectives, because I think every day is a learning day for me. And in a finance field, when you talk directly to the market, because I'm a panelist in the national news also, like NDTV and the ET Now. So when you discuss with each of everyone now, I think I am a newcomer in this particular industry. And when we talk to these type of leaders, I thought that everything I have to go and learn from them.
Okay.
So this is the main point where I can learn from each and everyone in this particular event.
Okay. So, Girish sir, now we'll be shifting to the rapid fire round. You have to be very, very quick and very crispy. Okay?
Okay,
You have
done.
seen Coffee with Karan?
Yeah. I saw that.
Okay. A book every Indian CEO or the leader must have on their desk.
Dhirubhai Ambani.
Note it down. The biggest distraction for leaders in today's world.
Mobile phone.
People might be watching this on mobile phone.
No, that's completely fine. But the most distraction is the mobile phone.
Okay. Even I have been addicted to the mobile phone. A habit you broke to become a better leader.
Sorry, I'm not getting that.
A habit
Habit?
you broke to become a better leader?
Okay. To give time to myself.
Very, very crucial thing, which we don't have right now. If you had to write a tagline for Bharat 2.0 Conclave, so what would it be?
Learn and earn.
Nice.